Daniel Zysblat shares 8 reasons why real estate is best investment. As many in the real estate industry will tell you, there are many reasons why real estate can be considered one of the best investments someone can make. As a real estate agent, Daniel Zysblat has helped numerous clients buy and sell properties over the years, and he has witnessed firsthand how lucrative this market can be if you know what you're doing. The following are some of the reasons why he believes that real estate is a great investment and worth considering when people are looking to grow their wealth through their investments. High returns. Investing in real estate can generate high returns. The possibility of high returns on investment might be attractive to people who are seeking their first major investment or retirees looking for a steady, reliable income. But make sure that you invest carefully and not take on any risk that you don't understand. I always tell people to focus on how much money they can lose before they lose everything, says Daniel Zysblat. If they're going to take a big risk, have a compelling reason why it could pay off in spades. Before taking risks with your hard-earned savings, do your homework and ensure that you have reasonable expectations. Consistent growth. According to Daniel Zysblat, while most investments fluctuate, real estate provides consistent growth. After all, a house isn't going to go bankrupt. The area it's located in may be affected by a flood or an earthquake, but that just means you need to do some research into different regions and invest in areas with low risk of these events occurring. As long as there are people living on Earth, there will always be a demand for housing. Thus, real estate is an excellent place to put your money when you want something solid with no room for surprise ups and downs. Long-term asset. Real estate remains a solid long-term investment. No other investment type can offer you as many tax benefits, or have as high of a return on investment, ROI. The biggest advantage real estate offers over all other investments is that it is an asset that doesn't depreciate in value over time. Unlike stocks, mutual funds, and bonds, which are liabilities and can depreciate depending on market conditions, real estate actually appreciates in value. Over time, you will also experience positive cash flow since rents increase while mortgage payments remain stable. Eventually, your equity in the property will exceed your loan amount. This allows you to leverage even more cash into additional properties and grow exponentially with very little additional out-of-pocket costs. Passive income potential. While every investment requires a level of effort, real estate has a very high potential for passive income. Given its long-term nature, real estate investments are ideal for those seeking to earn money while they sleep. Daniel Zysblat says unlike most other investments, which depend on the active involvement of investors, rental properties require less time and attention. As such, it's easy to keep them going without interruption, and you can manage them from anywhere in the world through apps and smartphones. Even better, tenants tend to take care of maintenance issues themselves, which means you don't have to worry about them or hire someone else who will come by your property regularly. Scalable. One of the most important benefits of real estate as an investment, according to Daniel Zysblat, is that real estate can be scalable. Scalable refers to being able to expand or enlarge your investment size and number. If you find one rental property that you are able to rent quickly and at a profit, it may be possible for you to find 5 other properties in a similar area at similar rates and turn all 6 properties into your cash cow, making your initial property work even harder for you by being multiplied many times over. Being able to scale up your business like that is not only exciting but also profitable. What's more, Daniel Zysblat believes that real estate is the best investment because it allows you to create something from nothing. There's no need for any sort of capital input besides your own labor and creativity. The great thing about creating something from nothing is that there are virtually no limits on what you can create with just a little bit of effort, and if you have a creative streak in you, then investing in real estate could provide some excellent opportunities for self-expression through architecture and design. Capital appreciation. Historically, land has been appreciating in value. Therefore, at a very basic level, real estate investing allows you to build up your investment over time by merely letting it sit there and appreciate in value. The price of a given property rises with inflation and demand for housing. You don't have to sell to make money on real estate, you just have to wait until someone else pays you more than what you paid for it originally. As an added bonus, all those mortgage payments are usually tax deductible. If you ever decide to move or liquidate your assets, you can also do so at a profit, since real estate tends to hold its value better than other investments during periods of economic downturns.